Hello and welcome to our presentation tips, and today we'll speak about something that is super important. Why didn't my diet succeed? What's that? And storytelling. The thing is that in order to have a successful diet, we need to think always and all the time about the result. When we have the result and we know what's in it for me, we know and we have the engagement to continue with this diet and exercise and whatever the target that we have. Also in storytelling, the moment that we are speaking with a customer, he wants to know what's in it for him. And this is practically the most important issue and point about the story. So we need to build up everything in order to get the final conclusion. What is it important for him to do whatever we want him to do, to purchase something, to engage him with something, and so on and so forth. Let me give you an example. We have a customer. The customer has a certain problem, but he needs to understand the value. The value is measured in two things: pain or gain. It can be either saving pain or gaining something, money, honor, pleasure, or whatever it is. So the moment we will try to translate the value that he has with those things, eventually he will be persuaded more. And let's go back to the diet. What's in it for me if I'm doing a diet? I will look better, I will be more attractive, people will like to be with me. So the pleasure is very clear. Hope that this tip helped you to leverage your next presentation and tell a good story.